Laser technology came into existence in 1960, and eye and vision research was the field I was interested in. And I tried to combine eye research and laser, and I did it all my life. Diagnostic technology for imaging the retina of the human eye has evolved incredibly, and now the adaptive optics and waveform technology has become more easily, readily available, less expensive. And now in the next step, there is a mating again of the diagnostic technology for imaging the retina and adaptive technology, adaptive optics, to bring this field down to the molecular or to the cellular level in a living human eye. The laser beam provides us with a micro cutting tool. It can be focused to 1/1000th of a millimeter. It can be easily focused into the human eye, into the retina of the human eye for very delicate retinal surgery. We can mate those two technologies in a closed loop process to have an image-guided surgical process, which is robotic surgery. So we can eliminate the hand of the surgeon, which is the weakest part in this process. I was the first, most likely, in the world who did it, and I'm still working on it.